What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm in a new place. My previous Airbnb, the internet connection was pretty shit. So I've just switched, not too far from where I was staying before. Quite nice. I did a little tour on my IG if you want to check it out. Links in the bio. If you don't care, then we'll jump into the analysis. Hope you had a terrific weekend. We're going to go over our friend BTC. Currently sitting at 28.2, up 2.7 on the day. So your market cap of 544 billion, 24-hour volume 51.13 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit, up to 30,000 in bonuses. I do the majority of my trading here on Bickit. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto. So let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we pushed up in a beautiful 5-way move. I talked about us pushing up to 28.5K. I dropped a signal for that in the Discord, and that's exactly where we ran into resistance. So I think it's likely that we've pushed up in a 5-wave move in a wave 1 of the larger wave 3. We're pulling back in a wave 2 in an ABC correction, take you down in between 24.8 and 26K, retest that 25K trend line, and then push up in that 3, 4, 5 and see continuation up in our large, beautiful wave 3. I do think the high likelihood is the bottom is in, especially if we pull back to 25K and hold and bounce. Then that would be more confirmation that the bottom is in, but I'm already quite convinced that the bottom is in for the market. So we'll jump into our next chart. So what we're looking for here, this is a 4-hour time frame. Quickly zoom out to the daily. We broke out of this inverse head and shoulders. We talked about this bullish consolidation. We broke out, pushed up right up to our 28.5K target. So I think it's likely we see some pullback, come back down to the EMAs, come back down to this trend line of this beautiful inverse head and shoulders, bounce and explode up to 38.8K. Of course, we can continue to push to the upside. Anything can happen, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback from this level. The DXY looks like it's going to come down to 102. We have a bearish divergence on the daily that's playing out. We are trending towards oversold on the 4 hour, so I do think there's an opportunity to bounce off of 102. And that's when you'll see the price of Bitcoin continue to come down to retest 25K and potentially bounce and see continuation up to the technical target of 38.8. The Dow Jones is continuing to bounce as we called for in the previous videos, a little inverse head and shoulders, as you can see here. So that neckline would take you right back up to retest this descending triangle, and we'll see if we can break back up into it, or if we get rejected and we roll over, which would be negative for the markets. But I do think we'll see continuation up to retest it in the short term. All right, gang, so that's it for this little update. We're looking for a pullback. Looks like we're going through an ABC overshooting wave B correction in between 24.8, 26K. Minimum target is 26.6. Of course, we can just continue to push up from here, but we do have a bearish divergence on the hourly, RSI, as well as the money flow. So that is your pullback zone if we do see that ABC correction from this point. We're in a juicy long trade for Gala, which I dropped a signal for in the Discord for only 10 USD per month. Everything else is completely free. If you sign up to one of the exchanges, grab those bonuses. Free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals. As I mentioned, we're in a juicy long with Gala Games, crypto news, member profits, how to alt plays, all for only $10 a month. Same price as a Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal, and a drink. As I always mention, you shouldn't be eating or drinking that, as it will give you cancer. And you can sign up to the Patreon link. Check out those goodies. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.